Wanna know how to link your Montoon account in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to simply do is open up the Mobile Legends application, and once you're there, on the top left, you can see your profile. So simply select it. Now, once you're there, head towards account on the bottom, as it's really important. Now, once you're under account, on the first description here, you can see Montoon account. You can just simply select this question mark icon for more guide as well. Now once you've done, just simply select OK, and now just simply select tap to connect. That should be right beside your Montoon account. Now once you've done that, an interface or an external browser should pop up where you need to type in your registration and your password. So make sure you have also created a Moonton account for this to be successful. Just type in your email, password, then confirm your password. And after that is done, just simply select submit right here. And once that is done, your registration will be successful and you will be linked to your Montoon account. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.